Hi. So in this live stream, what I will do is I have few question papers, and to be very specific, I have 7 question papers, few sample papers, and few actual question papers. So what I will do is I will solve the quant portion of the PGDBA questions, right? And I have also provided the links to those question papers in the description box, so you can check it out from there. And yes, today is the PGDBA 2021 exam, so obviously I am not making this video for those people as of now. Currently I want to finish till 2020 question papers, and let's say if I get a question paper of 2021 by email or some kind of other means, I'll make a video on that as well. 10 distinct balls and 9 identical boxes, right? This is the question. 10 distinct balls and 9 identical boxes. Okay, so let's think about it. Now if you have 9 identical boxes, now every box has how many options? First of all, you need to put 9 balls in them, right? Let's forget that you have 10 balls. We have 9 plus 1 distinct balls. So let me first choose the 9 balls which I have to put in these identical boxes, right? Now which the ball can go to whichever box, because all the boxes are identical in nature, right? So I don't need to worry about where the ball is going because the balls are identical in nature, right? But the thing here is you have to choose 9 from these 10, and then the remaining one has to be clubbed with a ball. So technically what's happening is you have to choose uh, 2 balls which have to be clubbed together, right? 9C2, and the remaining 8 balls have to be separated out. So essentially what's happening is you have here 2 balls and over here you have 8 balls. The way to choose these 2 balls is 9C2, and the moment you choose these 2 balls, automatically these are chosen. Now the moment you choose the balls, the boxes suddenly have no meaning, because these 2 balls will go to one box and these 8 balls will go to the separate boxes, right? So I can directly say that 9C2 is the answer, which is 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 7 factorial, or you can directly say 9 into 8 by 1 into 2, which is how much? This is 36. So 36 should be the answer, and I'm not getting that answer. Why? What I have done wrong in this? You have 10 distinct balls which are put in 9 indistinct balls. This is empty. Oh, I made a mistake here. This is not 9C2. I have total 10 balls. This is 10C2. So this is 10 factorial. This is 8 factorial. This is 10 into 9. This is not right. So this is your 45. Oh, see, if you don't do practice, these things happen. So 45 is the answer. So all you had to choose was 2 balls out of these 10 balls, and then all of your calculation is done. Let's move to the next question and let me check the chat. Yeah. Okay. So next question is, you have x, y, and z distinct numbers that are in geometric progression, and 7x, 3y, and minus z in arithmetic progression. So what is the common ratio of GP? Okay, so let me first write down few things which are needed over here. So I can say, okay, why black? That x, y, z are in GP, and 7x, 3y, and minus z. 7x 3y minus 2AP. X, Y, Z distinct numbers. GP 7x 3y minus AP. Okay. So essentially what I need is either y by x or z by y or any kind of ratio among these numbers, right? So from here I can say that y square is equal to xz, right? Now after that you can say from here that this is your average, right? So 3y is equal to 7x minus z divided by 2. Okay. So if I divide this by x, I will get 3 into y by x. Now y by x is a common ratio r. 7 x by x is your 7. Z by x will be your r square. So this will become your r square. This 2 goes there, r square here, plus 6r minus 7 is equal to 0. So r square plus 7r, this will give you r equal to 0, which says that either r is equal to 1 or minus 7. Now we already know that the numbers x, y, z are distinct, right? See, the question description they have mentioned x, y and z be distinct numbers. So in that case x, y, z cannot be same. So common ratio cannot be 1. So definitely common ratio has to be minus 7 over here, which is option number D. Now let's move on to the question number 10. Before that, let me look at the chat for a while. Okay, we have no one. So question number 10 says you have PQ and RS be two vertical poles with horizontal distance of 30 meters. The PQ subtends a right angle at top R of this and this and that and that. Okay, we have to essentially draw a diagram for this question. Hmm. Okay, so let's draw this diagram. Evidently PQ looks bigger, so I'll go with that. So over here this is your PQ and RS, right? RS is the top. This is your RS. Now PQ subtends 90 degree on R, which means that this angle is your, I know this does not look like 90 degree, but bear with me. Then angle of deviation from R to the top of P is 60 degrees, which means this angle is 60 degrees. So in that case, this angle becomes 30 degrees, and the distance between them has been given as 30. Okay, so this is 30 meters. Obviously they must have given that. Yeah, I need to find the length of the pole PQ. Okay, which means, let's say this total length over here is PQ, which is H. I need to find H. This is 30. Okay, if this is 30 degrees, even this is 30 degrees, right? So if I consider this triangle RQS, so in that case, if let's say I denote this as my X, so it's simply X by 30 is your tan 30 degrees, and then in this case if I look at this triangle, this is 30, so this angle definitely is going to be uh, 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 60 degrees. Now in this big triangle, this is 30, so this over here is also 30, and then okay, yes, I know this is X because this is X, this is X, this is 30, so let me say this is my Y, right? So now your Y by 30 will be equal to your tan 60 degrees, right? And I know that H is going to be equal to X plus Y, right? Because this is X, this is Y, I need H. So X from here becomes X is equal to tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to how much? Is 1 by root 3, because I have forgotten, sine 30 is your half, and cos 30 is your root 3 by 2. So 1 by root 3 is your tan 30, so this becomes your 30 by root 3, and tan 60 will be your root 3, so this y will be 30 root 3. So I need to add these two numbers, so take 30 common, then you will have 1 by root 3 plus root 3, which is essentially 30 into root 3, not root 3, 30 into 3 plus 1 divided by root 3, right? So this will become 1, either it's 120 by root 3, or I can say this is your uh, 40 root 3, right? Because I can just simplify it further. So let's look at the answer. So the answer is 40 root 3, option number A. Okay, let's solve the integral. So integral is a definite integral, so it would be easier. Now I have a function 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So if I know the cos formulae, how to combine cos, then this could become easier, or else is this some kind of odd even play over here? This will always be positive. That makes no sense over here, and so essentially, so we'll have to substitute something over here. So 1 minus cos x and 1 plus cos x. Okay, so I need to find the trigonometric formula for this. Okay, I think 1 minus cos x is equal to sine square x by 2. 1 minus cos x formula. Yeah, images. Yeah, 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square x by 2. So let me first write that thing down over here. So 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sine square x by 2. And now what is 1 plus cos x? 1 plus cos x plus cos x plus cos x. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square theta by 2. Yeah, 2 cos square theta by 2. This is okay. So what is the integration which we have to do? This is in root of integral 1 minus cos x by 1 plus from minus pi by 2 to 1 minus, yes, fine. So I'll just put these guys inside, so this will change to uh, I'll just write it this way. This will change to root of 2 cancelled, sine by cos is your tan. So this will be your tan square x by 2 root square root of tan square x by 2. Okay, so in that particular case, I need to check the sign of tan, right? So from 0 to pi by 2, tan will be your positive, so tan square will be positive, and from minus pi by 2 to 0, uh, your will be negative, right? But tan square will be positive. The moment I take this root, it will be tan x by 2 mod, right? Because tan is negative for a while, so I have to be careful and take a mod over here, because when I take a square root, it gives you only the positive value, not the negative value. So this guy mod tan x by 2 from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Now think about it. If I take mod of tan x by 2, essentially it will become some kind of an even function, right? Like this, or some kind of a shape. So if I directly do this thing, that from 0 to pi by 2 and multiply by 2, my job will be done, and I need to get rid of this mod. So I can directly write this, right? So twice of this tan x by 2 dx. Now the next thing is pretty easy. Now you can use substitution, or you can remember formula. So this is x by 2, right? So if you put x by 2 as your t, so your dx will be equal to 2 dt, and this guy then will change to your dx is 2 dt, so this will be 4, and this is your dt, this is your tan t. So for x you will have write 2t, so twice t is equal to x by 2. So x is 2t, so uh, this is from 0 to pi by 4, because I have to change from x to t. Now what is the integration of tan? That is what we have to remember now. Now how do you integrate tan? Now I have a ready-made formula for that. I'll directly use that. I'll not go through the trouble of deriving those things now. So integration of tan is where is my integration? Yeah. So integration of integration of tan is log mod of sec x. Okay. So this is your let me erase few things. Rather, what I can do is let me hide my camera for a while. That will give us more screen. Yeah. So this will change to 4 into log of sec pi by 4 minus log of sec 0. Now sec 0 essentially is your 1 by cos 0, which is 1. So log 1 is your 0. This goes vanishes. Sec pi by 4 is 1 by cos pi by 4. And as you know, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So sec pi by 4 is root 2. This guy becomes log root 2. So answer is 4 log root 2. I know I have taken a lot of space and messed it up, but I hope you got the steps. Answer is not important. Just try to understand the steps which I followed. This formula was handy. If you remembered this formula, your life was very easy. But if you did not remember this formula, it would be tough for you, right? Okay, okay. So 4 log root 2, yeah, essentially it's option number B, because see, I can rewrite this option as 2 log root 2 square. So this root 2 will become 2. So option number B is the right answer, 2 log 2. So I have solved question number 11. I'll solve question number 12 in the next part of this live stream. So I'll be making multiple live streams as of now, and I will continue each of them through the part which I have left, right? So what I'm saying is, till now I have solved the sample paper 2019 question number 11. I'll pick up question number 12 from there, and I'm not leaving any question. I'm solving each and every question to the best of my expertise. So let me end this live stream and I'll reconnect in some while.